Good morning, kids. Welcome back in your class. So, kids, which day is today? Today is Saturday. And what we did on Saturday? Activities. Okay. So, today also we are going to perform some activities. Okay. As we did in last Saturday, we learned how to make bookmark. But you haven't tried. Try it at home. Okay. So kids, before starting the class today, I am going to ask you some questions, and also I am giving you some activity that you have to perform at home, and you have to send me the photographs so I can upload those photographs on WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, so that other students can learn, oh yes, these students are doing the activities and study. Okay. So, and one more thing, I'm getting only the photograph of 8 to 10 students regularly. Other students are not participating in the online classes. So, I request to all the parents, kindly show the videos to your kids or just watch the videos and do the practice of the given work at home, please. Okay, because I'm getting, so kids, another activity is uh, that all the students know very well that how should we get away from that virus, coronavirus. Okay, and what are the precautions and measures to be used to get away from this. So I request to the students, perform one activity in which you are saying that we have to do all these things to keep away us from coronavirus. Okay, and send me that video so I can upload that video on WhatsApp, on other social handles, so make aware other also about this coronavirus. Okay, and I think अगर बच्चे वो चीज़ करेंगे, बच्चे अगर बताएंगे कि कैसे हमें अवेयर रहना चाहिए, तो बाकी लोग ज़रूर सुनेंगे. ठीक है, तो मेरे सारे बच्चे मुझे एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करके दिखाएंगे. Okay kids, so now we are going to start our class, and one more thing, I'm going to give you Hindi worksheet today in this class. Okay, in the last video session. So first we will revise our GK general conversation questions. Okay, and the first one is, what is your name? Now everyone knows my name is, and then your name. In which class do you study? I study in class LKG. Okay, what is the name of your school? My school name is Venus Public School. What is the name of your city? My city name is Gwalior. What is the name of your country? My country name is India. Name any 5 fruits: apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes. If you have learned other names, then you can learn that also. Okay, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so these are our general conversation questions. Now with the help of book, we are going to quickly revise our GK topics. My family, homes of animals and musical instruments. So let's quickly revise them with the help of book. So kids, let's revise the GK topics quickly. Okay, so what we have learned in our first topic is my family. Okay, my family. Okay, and what we have learned in our my family, which members are living in our family? Father, mother, brother, sister and myself. Remember that? Okay, and there are some more other peoples are also living in our family, like grandfather, grandmother. Okay, so one more time we are going to revise: father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, myself, sister. Okay, and some family are big family. okay, in which our grandfather lives, okay, and some family are small family, okay, only 4 members are there, okay. So we have learned this in our first topic, my family, and some questions I am having. Do you live with your grandparents? So that you have to answer yes or no. Do you love your family? Yes, we all love our family. Okay. So I'm going to tick, and yes, I'm living with my grandparents. Okay. Yes, I love my family. Now, which is our next topic is, that is very interesting, musical instruments. Remember that one? Okay. So this is tabla, harmonium, sitar, clarinet, piano, flute, trumpet, violin, dholak, and the last one is guitar. Remember these instruments? Yes, okay. And some questions we are having. Do you have any musical instruments? क्या आपके पास कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है? I think one we are having flute, and I think in most of the home ढोलक is there. सबके घर में होती है ना ढोलक? Okay? Okay, and some of the students maybe they are having the toy guitar. Okay? So which musical instrument have strings? So I have told you that 2 instruments are having string, violin and guitar. And here the options are dholak and guitar. So is dholak is having strings? No, it is played with the help of these things. Okay, and guitar played with the help of strings. So the answer is guitar. Okay, so these are our musical instruments. Any 5 instruments you can learn. Now our third topic is animals home. Remember this topic? The names of the homes of animals. So the lion lives in the den. Remember that? Lion lives in the den. Okay? D-E-N, den. Next is bee. Bee lives in hive. Bee lives in hive. Remember that? Okay. Spider spins web. Spider makes web. Remember that? Here is the spider. Spider makes web. Yes. Dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Rabbit lives in burrow. Remember? Rabbit lives in burrow. Cow lives in shed. Okay? Monkey lives on a tree. Horse lives in a stable. Mouse lives in a hole. And what is the name of the bird house is? Nest. Okay? So here we have some questions. Lion lives in a hole? No. Mouse lives in a hole. Lion lives in a den. Yes. So, take the den. Okay. Cow lives in a shed. Yes, stable. I think yes, stable is the house of horse, and cow lives in a shed. So the first one is correct. Okay. Now let's move on to the another activity. So kids, we have revised our GK topics one more time. Now what we are going to do? Now it's time to perform the Saturday activities. Okay, and these are, we are going to again do the magic with colors, and also we are going to learn some easy drawings. Okay, these are very easy. You can do it well by yourself. Okay, so just look at the easy drawing activities and magic with colors. Okay, let's start. So kids, today we are going to start doing the easy drawing funs. Okay, with the help of easy drawing we are going to make turtle and frog. Okay, and it is very easy. You need only one bangle. Okay, just take your bangle of mom, and then we are going to make circle first. Okay, so let's start. First we are going to make turtle. So with the help of this bangle I am going to make circle. So this is my circle. Now what I am going to do is a big half circle. अब मैं यहाँ इसके ऊपर एक हाफ सर्कल बनाऊंगी. देखो यहाँ से यहाँ पे देखो. अच्छा, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, वील पुट 2 डॉट्स. ये मैडम ने 2 ऐसे डॉट्स रख लिए. अब मैम इसको टच करते हुए ये इस डॉट पे ज्वाइन कर देंगे. एक ये सर्कल बन गया. ठीक है, फिर इसके बगल में यहाँ पर मैम ने यहाँ पर भी 2 डॉट्स रखे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी एक हाफ सर्कल. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पर मैम ने 2 डॉट्स रखे. फिर यहाँ पर एक हाफ सर्कल. ठीक है, फिर मैम ने यहाँ पर 2 डॉट्स रखे. फिर हाफ सर्कल. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा इसको मैम इरेज कर दें. ठीक है, अब फिर यहाँ पर मैम ने 2 डॉट्स रखे. यहाँ पर एक डॉट से जोड़ता हुआ हाफ सर्कल. ठीक है, और यहाँ बीच में हम बना देंगे टर्टल की टेल. ओके, अब इसकी हम बनाएंगे आईज. ठीक है, और अंदर आपको क्या करना है, दैट आई विल टेल यू. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइन्स. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 1 6. अब इन लाइन्स को जोड़ दो. 1 2. इन लाइन्स को हम जोड़ते जाएंगे. एड द लाइन्स. ये बन गया हमारा टर्टल. नाइस. नाउ लेट्स कलर द टर्टल. टर्टल इज ऑफ ग्रीन कलर. ठीक है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गिव सम मिक्स कलर्स. सो here I am going to do the color in turtle. ये देखो मैम ने अपने मन से किया है. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू बाय योर सेल्फ. अब मैम इसके फेस में येलो करेंगी. ओके, और इसके लेग्स में भी येलो करेंगी. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज. अब इसकी टेल में मैम रेड कर देंगी. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू कलर्स बाय what you want. Okay, so this is our turtle. Now we are going to make frog with easy drawings, and for frog also we need a circle. Okay, so again I am going to draw a circle with bangle. Okay, so this is our circle. Now what you have to do, you have to draw 2 circles like this. See, one circle, another circle. Okay, and then you have to put 1 dot here, 1 dot here, and 1 dot here, and then join the dots. Okay, 2 dots here. Okay, and what you have to do here, 1 2 3 lines. Okay, or now put 1 dot here and 1 dot here. Now what you have to take a round and then come back, round, come back, and then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is our easy frog. So this is our easy frog, and you can also do it with green color. See, this I have done green color. In legs I have done the yellow, and then the tails red color. So this is our easy drawings with the help of only circle. Okay, so try these easy drawings at home and enjoy the Saturday activity. Okay kids, so kids, our activity magic with colors. Now today we are going to try the other colors. Okay, so today we are going to try red and yellow. Okay, now let's see the magic, which color we will form. So first we'll use red color. Okay. So this is red. Okay. And the another color is yellow. Okay. Now we are going to mix these two colors and then we will see the magic which color will form. Okay. So first is I'm going to keep red color here. Okay. So this is red. Now I'm going to mix the yellow and then we will see the magic. Let's see which color will form. Oh, that's really nice. Orange color. Yes. So which color is formed? Orange color. While mixing the red and yellow, orange color is formed. Okay. This is the orange color. Okay. See, kind of similar orange color. Okay. And what is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Okay. So here we are having the third magic. Okay. Red plus yellow forms yellow color. Sorry, orange color. So enjoy the activity at home. चलिए बच्चों, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज पहले हम करेंगे क से अंघा तक की प्रैक्टिस. ठीक है. उसके बाद में फिर मैं आपको एक्टिविटी वर्कशीट दिखाऊंगी. चलिए, अब यही प्रैक्टिस आप सबको घर पर भी करनी है. चलिए, सबसे पहले हम अपने घर से नीचे आए, फिर हमने अपनी साइकिल निकाली, घुमाई, ऊपर गए और घर वापस. ठीक है. फिर हमने बनाया ख, 2 बनाया, 2 की टेल को ऊपर लेके गए, फिर नीचे लाए, आधा गोला और उसके ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन. ग से गमला में एक छोटी डंडी, इसका आगे एक फोल्ड, बड़ी लाइन और ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन. आधा गोला, उसी को जोड़ के बड़ा गोला, ऊपर नीचे और अंगा खाली जिसमें छोटी से इमली बिना पूंछ की और उसमें बिंदी. ठीक है. फिर से प्रयास करेंगे. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, एक बड़ा सर्कल और एक आधा सर्कल और उसके ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन. 2 बना के उसकी टेल को ऊपर नीचे और आधा गोला. एक छोटी स्टैंडिंग लाइन विद फोल्ड और एक बड़ी स्टैंडिंग लाइन. आधा एक सर्कल, उसी को जोड़ता हुआ पूरा सर्कल ऊपर और एक स्टैंडिंग. अंगा खाली, अना खाली. ठीक है. चलिए एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करते. छोटी स्टैंडिंग लाइन विद फोल्ड, स्लीपिंग लाइन, आधा गोला, उसी को जोड़ता हुआ पूरा गोला, ऊपर नीचे स्लीपिंग लाइन. बिना पूंछ के इमली जैसा शेप बनाएंगे, ई छोटी ई से और उसके ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन, बिंदी. ठीक है. फिर से थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. गाड़ी घुमाई, उसको वापस घर ले आए और फिर गेट बंद कर दिए. 2 बना के उसकी पूंछ ऊपर नीचे और आधा गोला. छोटी स्टैंडिंग लाइन, बड़ी स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, आधा गोला, उसी को जोड़ता हुआ बड़ा, ऊपर नीचे और ये अंगा और इसमें बिंदी लगाना ज़रूरी. ठीक है. तो इस तरह से आप सबको घर पर 5 बार लिखना है. ठीक है, 5 बार इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है। देखिए 1 2 3 4 5। ठीक है, चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं एक्टिविटी वर्कशीट के ऊपर। तो बच्चों ये है आपकी हिंदी की एक्टिविटी वर्कशीट। ठीक है, जो इंग्लिश की तरह ही आपको घर पर परफॉर्म करनी है। ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर मदर। सबसे पहले आपको क्या लिखना है, क से अंग तक आपको व्यंजन लिखने हैं। ठीक है, क ख ग घ घ। ठीक है, उसके बाद में आपको यहाँ पर चित्र पहचान कर उनका पहला अक्षर लिखना है। कमल, खत, गाजर, घड़ी और यहाँ पे अंगा। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये वर्कशीट आप देख लीजिए, आपको परफॉर्म करनी है घर पर। ठीक है, और उसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद में यू हैव टू सेंड मी द फोटोग्राफ्स। ओके, along with the Hindi worksheet we have performed the practice of ka se angha also. Okay, so you have to do the practice of this also and also do the practice of worksheet. Okay, but worksheet photograph on Tuesday only. Okay, and today's homework is you have to do the practice of ka se angha and I think in GK activity you can perform at Sunday also. Okay, so this is your worksheet. Everyone just look it once. Okay, and perform it on Tuesday and then send me the photographs. And what will be the oral syllabus? It is the same as I have given you in English. आपको मुझे एक हिंदी की राइम और क और ख से 4-4 पिक्चरों को बताते हुए का ऑडियो या वीडियो मैसेज आपको मुझे भेजना है ट्यूसडे को। ठीक है, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, मंडे को नहीं, ट्यूसडे को आपको मुझे वीडियो भेजना है जिसमें आपको एक हिंदी की राइम और क और ख से 4-4 चित्रों को बताते हुए। ठीक है, तो तैयारी शुरू कर दीजिए। स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन एंड दिस एक्टिविटी very easy, you will not take much more time and others students also start watching the videos. Okay kids, so today's I have given you some little more work, but these all the work is very interesting. Okay, that you have to tell about the awareness for coronavirus. Okay, so you have time, you can send me the videos of related to coronavirus any day whenever you want to send me. Okay, it is not compulsion that you have to send me today only. आप कभी भी भेज सकते हैं मुझे, लेकिन कोशिश करिए, बताइए, सबको जागरूक करेंगे। अगर बच्चे बताएंगे तो बाकी लोग भी जागरूक अच्छे से होंगे। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए सैटरडे एक्टिविटी इतना ही। आज कुछ अच्छी एक्टिविटीज भी आपको करने को दी गई है, तो स्टार्ट डूइंग द प्रिपरेशन एवरीवन। ओके, घर पर रहो, stay safe, stay at home and have fun with the activities. Bye bye everyone.